Hi, today we'll talk about how to use pregnancy test midstream in professional way. Before you use it, you need to check the expiry date. It is over expiry date or not. And then open this one, take out the midstream. In each box there is instruction, so you need to read it carefully. And open this, take out this desiccant. If the desiccant changes the color, this one cannot be used again. This is the midstream. Before you use, you need to take off this cap. This need tilt 60 degrees. Now, to this urine to this area and keep 6 seconds. 6 seconds. And then take back the cap and put on the flat surface. 1 or 5 minutes, you can read the results. It has been 1 minute. Control line appear.